Some people say that perfection doesn't exist, but in my opinion, the basic Kindle in Matcha Green comes pretty close. In fact, I'd argue it's even better than the more expensive Kindle Paperwhite and maybe even better than the Kindle Scribe. And in this video, I'll explain you exactly why. So let's unbox this budget-friendly Matcha Green Kindle and see what's inside the box. So I bought this e-reader for exactly $109 on Amazon. This is the cheapest and the most affordable e-reader the money can buy. The basic 16 GB 11th Gen Kindle. The basic Kindle. I decided to choose it in this beautiful matcha green. Usually it's black or white, so I think this color is kinda unusual. Inside the box you have, like always, basic stuff, useless paper, a USB-C cable, and of course the Kindle itself. The Kindle is wrapped in a very nice paper material. I feel like unboxing a basic budget Kindle feels more premium than unboxing an iPhone. Really, I'm not kidding you. I like the unboxing experience. So let's turn it on, let's configure it and see how it works. The configuration process is super easy. Just log into your Amazon account and you're ready to read your favorite ebooks. Honestly, from the very first second I unboxed it, I completely fell in love with this Matcha Green basic Kindle, mainly because it's very lightweight and it's very comfortable to operate with only one hand. I don't even know what to say about this Kindle because it's literally perfect. It's cheap, well, at least not expensive. The display is very high quality, it's crisp and sharp, it's easy to read, you can adjust the text size, you can adjust the font, you can use the same Amazon ecosystem. If you already had a Kindle e-reader in the past, you'll be able to find all your ebooks on this reader because everything is synchronized. If you want to import your own books, you can import them just by sending over email or by using a USB-C cable. So it's a very simple product. And just for comparison, I already have this big Kindle Scribe. So it's more expensive, it's bigger, so it should be better. But honestly, it is not. First of all, it's very, very heavy. It's like 3 or even 4 times heavier than this budget Matcha Green Kindle, and it's not comfortable to use. Of course, you see more text, but it's not comfortable. It's less comfortable than the smaller and cheaper e-reader. So honestly, I regret buying this giant Kindle. Well, first of all, because it's more expensive, but it's also less comfortable to use. Like literally, I'm not kidding you. The cheaper and more budget e-reader is better. It's better. If we compare the display quality, the display sharpness side by side, I don't see any difference. It's literally the same quality. The text is very sharp on the budget Matcha Green e-reader, and it's also very sharp on the more expensive Kindle Scribe, so no difference here. So why should you pay more? Just buy the budget e-reader. I have been using the Kindle Scribe for quite a long time and I had enough of it. The smaller Kindle is more comfortable to use, mainly because you can operate it with only one hand. You can just, select text with only one finger, and it's very, very light. I also like this matte plastic material, mainly because it doesn't leave fingerprints. The more expensive aluminum Kindle Scribe collects fingerprints like hell, and it's almost impossible to read using Kindle Scribe with only one hand. You need 2 hands, one hand to hold the reader and the second hand to select the text if you want to add notes or change the pages. So, it's less comfortable. Maybe it's more comfortable if you're reading PDF documents or you really need bigger size display, but if you're just a casual reader, just buy the less expensive basic Kindle. It's perfect. It's not about the price, it's about the form factor. It's just better from my experience. And I think I will sell my Kindle Scribe and I will continue using this basic e-reader because it's better. The only downside is the special offers. Basically, I have ads on this cheap e-reader because I bought the cheaper version. If you want to remove special offers, the ads on the home screen, you have to pay $10 more. So I'll probably try to unlock it and I'll pay $10 just to get rid of these special offers. Ads, basically. I don't like them. So, time for the verdict. What do I think about this basic Matcha Green Kindle? I think it's a perfect e-reader from Amazon. First of all, it's cheap, it's not expensive. You can find it even less than $100. Often it's available on sale. It's very lightweight and it's very comfortable to use with only one hand. The display is very crisp and sharp, so no compromise here. The only downside, I should admit, is the LED backlight. The LED backlight is not adjustable in terms of temperature, so it's always very cold. It's a simple LED light. It's not like yellowish, so it's not very comfortable to read at night. But anyway, when I'm reading at night, I have a lamp, special lamp for reading. It's much better. So, should you buy this basic 11th gen Kindle e-reader in matcha green color? And the answer is definitely yes. If you are looking for a budget-friendly device for reading from Amazon, get this one. It's beautiful, it's lightweight, the display is crisp and sharp, this matcha green color is beautiful. It's almost the perfect e-reader. Guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Peace.